Welcome to General Chemistry 1411 and 1412. My name is Dr. Stephenson and I will be your instructor for this semester. Also helping me with the labs will be Dr. Barrett. When you first come into the course, it will initiate at the Start Here page. Please read down through that and note the information, including the syllabus. One thing I would like to highlight here is the course map. And so real quickly how this course is designed is in 5 modules. Module 0 deals with orientation material, and it concludes with a discussion assignment and an email exercise. Module 2, 3, and 4 deal with your 3 midterm exams respectively, exams 1, 2, and 3. And as far as each module, your grades come from the labs that are done, a homework assignment, and then the exam itself. And finally, Module 5 is actually just the placeholder for the final exam and any extra material we want to give you for that. So you are here, work through those 5 modules successfully, and you're going to wind up with a good chemistry grade. Okay, that's the Start Here page about me and Dr. Barrett. You can find that on the Your Instructor, as well as office hours and how those work. And we will also have a very good chemistry tutor this semester, Sarah. She's a chemistry major at SFA, as well as a former student of both mine and Dr. Barrett. So she is well versed with what you're going to go through. The bulk of the material is in the course content, and there's where you find the information for the 5 modules. I want to point out a couple of other things right quick. I have a schedule link here, which will give you due dates for the materials that you're going to work through. And there's also a course links here, YouTube videos, a class spreadsheet that you'll use to sign up for exams. Let's see, an exam cheat sheet. I'm going to give you a cheat sheet for every exam. You should work, when you work practice problems, I would use this so you're very familiar with it. You don't get to bring a cheat sheet, but anything that's on here or that you can talk me into putting on here, you get in the exam. Exam calculator, we will use an online calculator. A quick remark about that. Desmos calculator. This calculator is used on many standard exams. It's the way of the future. The first time you learn to use an online calculator does not need to be in some very important critical standardized exam. So that's another soft skill we're going to pick up with this class. Let's see what else we're going to have besides course content. There's Collaborate. If we have live class meetings or discussions, it'll either be done through Collaborate or possibly through Google Meet. No matter what, you will be receiving an announcement. And you should look at announcements early and often, because there's some material that you're going to need to do that will only be transmitted to you through the announcements. So be sure and look at those. Discussions boards, it's not up yet, but you'll have a discussion board assignment where you all meet each other. If we have a group project, you will be assigned to groups, and you will find that information under the groups folder. There is a calendar associated with this course, and sometimes it populates well, sometimes it doesn't. It basically, things only show up when I put a due date to it. So what I would do if I were you is focus on this schedule link right here. By the way, this schedule is outside of Blackboard, so if you make yourself a link to this, it will very quickly load anytime you're in a browser and you have the shortcut link to it. And finally, there's the grades, where you're going to get your grades from that are populated into the grade book. For each of the modules, because you're going to go there frequently, I've added some shortcuts here. And that is basically an overview of what's in the course and how you navigate around the course material itself. And with that, welcome again to General Chemistry 1411 and 1412.